Hey everyone, welcome to Vegworks. Today I'm going to be making a very healthy roll, the date and nut roll. So as the name suggests, we require some dates. We need to de-seed it and chop it fine. Then we would require some nuts. You can use whatever nut you have at home. I'm using cashew nut, almonds, peanuts, walnuts and pista. It's very healthy because there is no added sugar in this. It's very easy to make. So let's get started right away. Into the pan, I've added about 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now we'll add in the de-seeded dates. I've taken 700 grams of dates. We'll just cook this for a few minutes until this becomes a little bit soft. The dates have been cooked and it's become one solid mass. Now we'll add in the nuts. So I've taken a few peanuts, some almond slivers. All these nuts are roasted. Some cashew nuts, some walnuts, some pista. We'll allow this to cool for some time before we shape it into a log. We'll shape this into a log. We'll take some paper like this, butter paper, and we'll fix it like this. We'll take some roasted white sesame seeds on a plate. Now we'll remove the strip of paper. And we'll roll on pistachio, powdered pistachio. And then we can dust off the excess. We'll wrap this. We'll put it in the fridge for about 2 hours. Two, 3 hours in the fridge. And it has set completely. We'll cut away the 2 sides of the log to make the log look nice and neat. See, the nuts are visible so clearly now. When we slice it, see, the nuts are nicely embedded within the dates. Each of those slices have both layers, the sesame as well as the pistachio. The date and nut roll is ready.